There are many ways in which being smart can lead a person to being dumb. The first one is rationalization. Rationalization is a big problem for smart people. A rationalization is when you come up with smart reasons to believe in dumb things. So for instance, if the particular smart person in question really wants to believe in something but kind of knows that it's not a good idea, it's dumb, but they're not willing to give up the idea, they are really good at coming up with reasons to believe in that thing that they know deep down is wrong. Like smart people can go this so much, like, I call them logical pretzels. That's when it kind of just curls into itself like a pretzel, it's bad. It's bad if something's a logical pretzel. So they're able to come up with really seemingly good reasons to believe in dumb things. This is also why people in cults tend to be smart. Why cults tend to attract smart people, even though of course everyone else thinks, oh, cults are dumb. But cults attract smart people because, for one, in order to be in a cult, you have to be a reader. You have to read all of the cult's materials and listen to hours of the cult's propaganda, and you have to have that ability to rationalize why what the cult is saying is true, even though it's so obviously not true. So you can literally be too stupid to be in a cult. Oh, I don't want to say stupid, I want to say common sense. Like, in my opinion, it sort of seems like intelligence and common sense are, you can have both, but it's possible to have really good common sense but not be very, like, intellectual, or to be very intellectual but to have, like, no common sense. Which is why people who tend to have lots of money tend to have really good common sense, but they're not really intellectuals, and they're in a sphere in which common sense is what you need the most. But anyway, yeah, that's one big problem for smart people, is that they can rationalize dumb beliefs really easy. The second main problem is that an important thing to acting smart is a certain amount of humbleness. Another problem which can lead smart people to act dumb is that they get too arrogant. Like, a smart person who knows they're smart is bad or it can be bad if they start to think in terms of, oh well, if I believe it, then it's probably more likely to be true because I'm just so smart. They can end up believing in things which are wrong and incorrect because they have too high an opinion of their intelligence, to the point to where they don't properly critically analyze the belief in question, because they think, well, if I believe it and I'm so smart, they essentially do a fallacy of authority to themselves and think of themselves as the authority on the thing when they're clearly not. Their arrogance about their intelligence has led them to be wrong about something because they're not appropriately humble enough about their own intelligence to not believe in the dumb thing. That's all.